Hi YouTube, it's Mia Wolf 222, and well today I've discovered a new treat that your parakeet or budgie will love. It's this oats and honey crunchy granola bars. This is just Nature Valley. You can get it at your grocery store. They like the oats and honey the best. It's like $3. $2.50 per box, and I think it comes with 6 15-ounce 2-bar pouches. So every pack has 2 granola bars in it. And so I've discovered that they really like these. You just gotta crush them up a little bit. So let's get started. Most people think that your parakeets need only eat seed or millet or just parakeet food that you buy in a package. But no, they need fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, variety of grains, plus bird seed and the bird food that you find in your pet store. So I'm just gonna crush it up, or that looks better. That's better. And they like little pieces and they like big chunks, so just kind of break it up in a variety of sizes. Leave a few bigger chunks in there. If you're gonna feed them like this granola on top of the fruits and vegetables, or just your regular bird food, then I wouldn't use the whole bar or the whole pack at all. I'd use maybe half a granola bar every time, because you don't want any of this going to waste. And here I've just cut up some fresh apples. I cut that off a few days ago and stuck it in the fridge so we don't waste the apple. So yeah, I just cut up a little bit of apple and kind of fine. And I just cut some lettuce. I think this is cabbage. And they really like that a lot more than the apples. So I'm going to put more of this into our little feeder than the apples. But they still do like the apples. So I guess I'll mix some of it up. And I usually sprinkle the granola bar oats on top. So I don't want all the apples, but like an occasional one. A few on top. And then sprinkle all these oats. Oh. Trash. I think I'll do a little more, so that wasn't really much of the bar. Well, I think that's it. So this is a good meal for your parakeet or budgie. So leave any, ask me any questions, leave some comments. Please like this video. And this is Mia Wolf 222 signing off. Thanks.